In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to turn this Little Miss image meme into an engaging Instagram reel using this InVideo template. We know how much Instagram loves video, and by piggybacking on a viral trend, you're sure to get a proper engagement boost. Little Miss is a children's comic book series, and characters from it have been picked up by brands to create really funny memes that everyone's sharing, while also adding their own brand personality in there. To create this video, you will need 7 still images. Ideally, these should be clear shots of your products taken from various angles and in good lighting. We are creating this reel for a jewelry brand, and these are the kind of shots we are using. You will also need a PNG image of your logo, preferably with a transparent background. Once you have everything ready, you can start creating your reel. Since this is for Instagram, we are going with the default portrait mode that is in the 9:16 format. Simply click on Use this template, and that will take you to the editor. The editor has different scenes placed on the timeline with the preview of the video showing on the canvas. All the scenes are synced to the music, and you can individually edit each one by moving around and changing the elements in each scene. And changes in one scene will not affect another scene. On the left, you have the entire assets library from where you can choose any assets such as stock videos, images, music, and text to add to your video. You also have a menu on top of the canvas that changes depending on the element you've selected. Now we need to start by uploading our own media. For that, go to the Uploads button on the left menu panel, select the Folders option here to create a separate folder for all the media you're going to use in the project. Organizing this way saves a lot of time while creating the reel. Now click on the Upload button and upload all of your images into the folder. Once you have everything in place, it's time to replace the text and images in the template with your own. Select the first scene on the timeline and then click on the text box underneath the Little Miss title. This will open up the edit menu on the left, and you can type in your own text here. We are going to say, turns her love for jewelry into a small business. Now, if you want to change the font or the color of the text, you can use this menu on top of the canvas to do so. I want to change the color of the text to match my brand colors, and so I'm going to choose the text color option to open up the editor on the left and change my color from there. I will also slightly resize this using the font size dropdown. The Little Miss animation stays as is, and now we move on to the second scene, which has all of our images. To replace a default image with your own, simply select the image on the canvas and then drag and drop your image from the Uploads folder onto the canvas in the same spot. Simply click Replace in the pop-up window that appears, and your image will replace the default one in the template. Now drag your cursor a little further on the timeline to bring up the next set of images in the template, and then click on one on the canvas to select it and then replace it in a similar way. Once you've replaced all of the media, it is now time to change your logo. Simply select the logo on the canvas, and this opens up the logo menu on the left. Here you click on the Upload button to upload your own logo image, and once it's uploaded, simply click on it and it will get replaced throughout the template. Now let's get to the third and final scene in the template. This is a simple text slide, and all you need to do is change the text to match your brands. Since we also want to prompt our viewers to check out our collection, we will let the primary text stay as is and just change the website with our own. And once again, I'm going to change the color to match my brands. Once all the scenes are done, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel. If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest you choose the 180p resolution, as this gives you the best results. You can recreate this trend for different types of brands as well. For instance, if you are an independent fashion business, this is what this trend could look like for you. On the other hand, if you're an interior design agency, this is what this trend can look like for you. When you're ready to upload, make sure you use the link in the description to go to the trending music track on Instagram and use that while uploading the reel. Simply select Use Audio and then upload your edited reel. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, and since your reel is already synced to the music you've chosen, you don't need to make any additional adjustments. Simply write your caption, add your hashtags, and hit publish.